Alright, so kuna watu wamenifuata inbox hapa wameniuliza mbona leo sijatoa signal za gold. What's happened? Mbona leo hujatoa signal za gold? Okay. So leo sijatoa signal za gold kwa sababu jana kuna kitu nilikiongea. I said, hey, this week we are going up, right? But nilikuwa sija cheki kwenye higher time frame perspectives. Okay, so after I checked it to the higher time frame perspectives, so this is gold and this is 3 hours time frame. Okay, as you can see here, for the past 3 weeks, from this week to this week and to this week, gold imekuwa na what we call it, gold imekuwa na push up au tunasema bullish momentum up to this week here. So we see for the past 3 weeks straight gold imekuwa ikipush up. Okay, but hii ni wiki ya mwisho wa mwezi. Ukiangalia hii wiki hapa ni tarehe 26 imeishia this week. So hii ni wiki iliyopita, I mean. So ukiangalia hapa inaonekana kama vile price, because for me I thought kwamba price ikifika kwenye hii low ya wiki ya tatu, I mean wiki ya pili ya mwezi, I thought kwamba ita reverse, okay, kuja juu. But what I found out ni kwamba hapa kuna fair value gap ambayo ni bearish fair value gap, ambapo price inaweza ikafika hapa and then ikaamua kuturn. Okay, so price inaweza ikafika kwenye this fair value gap here or this one, okay, ikaamua kuturn like this. So in this case nikawa nimeogopa kufanya maamuzi ya moja kwa moja right here kusema kwamba kubuy kuja up here, kwa sababu still there is this fair value gap here and there is this fair value gap here and there is this fair value gap here. So this area here, so this area here is still not approved for me until nione price itafanya nini kwenye hii gap na hii gap before I can buy. Okay, but ukiangalia pia kuna liquidity area from the first week of the month. For example, you see kuna this area ambayo ndio imekuwa touched, ambayo ndio imesababisha hii rejection, lakini still from the first week of the month kuna this liquidity area here. Okay, let me show you like it more. Okay, so still kuna this liquidity area here. Okay, and hii haijawa touched bado, and this is from Tuesday of first week of the month. And then kuna another liquidity here, this one here. Okay, this also haijawa touched from the down here, na hii ilikuwa ni liquidity ya from last week Monday. Okay, this was the Monday liquidity from last week, from first week of the month. And this one here, okay, was a liquidity from Monday as well, first week of April. Actually, this liquidity is supposed to be around here. I think this liquidity should be here, be down here a bit. Okay, so I'll remove this because now we have this. Okay, so instead of targeting this one, I'll target the big one here because it's karibu. Okay, and hii dotted line ndio low ya first week of the month. This one here is the first week of the month. Maybe if you don't understand, I can help you understand like this. This area here is the first week of the month. This one is the second week of the month. This is the third week of the month, and this is the fourth week of the month. Okay, so tunamalizia wiki, tunamalizia mwezi, na hii ndio wiki ya mwisho wa mwezi, si ambayo haja you understand. So ukiangalia from the first week of the month, we still have these liquidity areas ambazo bado hazijawa tapped, and we see price is like imekuja mpaka kuchukua first liquidity of the month ambayo ilikuwa ni liquidity ya Thursday. So liquidity ya Thursday imechukuliwa, so we think maybe price will go after this under liquidity as well before it replace. Lakini pia kuna ukiangalia hapa chini kuna hii the last liquidity area, this one from the last month, this was from March, this was April. So kuna hii last liquidity right here, this is from the last month. So price may or may not decide to come to this area. It's not that important. What's important here is this low. So because up until now we see rejection here kwamba price anataka ni juu, but we still have these fair value gaps here ambayo may or may not push the price down. So for today nikawa nimeogopa ku press any trade because of this reason. I think you understand me. Because of this reason kwamba kwenye forex we need to be patient. You need to be patient to wait for setup to align with your strategy. Of course we have liquidity up here, like of course we have liquidity up here, target this one, also we have this one, all these are liquidity. Okay, so we have this one, also we have this one. Okay, hizi zote ni liquidity ambazo okay, this week or next week we are going to deal with them, but for now, for today I couldn't do anything because of this situation here. This situation made me this situation here kidogo imekuwa na mchanganyo. Okay, so I will wait to see if price will break above this level here. Okay, if price will break above this level here, I want to see a retest rejection. I want to see if I want to place a trade, I want to see price do something like this. Okay, I want to see price do something like this. Maybe I want to see price come past this level here. Okay, probably maybe here, and then I want to see it rejected this level here. So once this level is rejected, once this level is rejected, I will find an entry to the upside here, right here. Before that, I wait to see what is going to happen in this level. So if you wait with me, we'll see what tomorrow will bring. All right, see you.